Listen carefully to the audio. Keep the 3 questions in mind and answer them after listening. 2 hidden extra questions will appear at the end. Don't miss a single line while listening. Questions to keep in mind.
What did Ethan order?
How did Hero describe Aisha's drink?
Which food item was described as golden and crispy?
Now let's listen to the passage.
Ethan, Aisha, and Hero met at a cozy cafeteria after a long break. They settled around a small corner table, each ordering something different. Ethan chose a warm grilled cheese sandwich. Aisha ordered a creamy saffron drink. And Hero picked a plate of golden, crispy potato wedges. Soon, the delicious aroma filled the table, and they began sharing their food happily. Aisha tasted Ethan's sandwich and said, "It's so soft and wonderfully cheesy." Hero sipped Aisha's saffron drink and smiled. "This tastes warm and soothing." Ethan tried Hero's potato wedges and laughed. "These are so crunchy and nicely seasoned." Their cheerful comments and friendly sharing turned a simple meal into a lively moment. With every bite and every laugh, the cafeteria felt brighter, showing how a meeting between good friends can make an ordinary day unforgettable.
What did Ethan order?
Ethan ordered a warm grilled cheese sandwich. How did Hero describe Aisha's drink?
He said it tasted warm and soothing. Which food item was described as golden and crispy?
Hero's potato wedges were described as golden and crispy.
Let's move on to the hidden extra questions.
What drink did Aisha choose?
What made the meeting lively?
What drink did Aisha choose?
Aisha chose a creamy saffron drink. What made the meeting lively?
Their cheerful comments and sharing made it lively.